Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 553 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have another new LA Colors makeup product that I found at the Dollar Tree. This is the Double Take 2-piece lip balm. So I got this in the shade flavor strawberry. But this was at an end of aisle display at my Dollar Tree, and they had a bunch of different flavors of these lip balms, and then they had a bunch of other 2-piece type of makeup products. And gosh, if you've been watching my series for pretty much any length of time, you know that I love trying out Dollar Tree makeup, especially LA Colors, and I've been able to try out so many LA Colors Dollar Tree makeup products on my channel so far, which is amazing to me because they are constantly coming out with new products for the Dollar Tree, which I love because since they're at the Dollar Tree, they're only $1, so I love that they're affordable, but most of the time, almost all of the time, the LA Colors makeup products that I try out are good. And I'm being serious, like I've tried out clearly so much makeup. I've tried out high-end makeup, I've tried out drugstore, lots of dollar store makeup, but I definitely know what to compare things to tell if they're good products, and LA Colors really is good. It's also a cruelty-free brand, so I love that. Okay, so this says double up on your favorite Baby Pop lip balm. Baby Pop lip balm? I don't know why they called it Baby Pop lip balm. It says goes on clear to moisturize and soften lips. All right, so I kind of thought that this might have a little bit of color to it, but that's okay. I still love just trying out lip balms because I have such dry lips. And they make it look like this is 2 different lip balms in here, but I'm not so sure. But even still, you're getting 2 lip balms for $1. So these are 50-cent lip balms. Does not get much more affordable than that. Okay, so let's check them out. The packaging on these is actually pretty cute. Oh, Baby Pop lip balm. I guess that's just the name of the lip balm. I'm pretty sure other flavors they had were mint in a green tube. Oh my gosh, I can't even open it. Why aren't you opening? Oh, I think I was pulling off the wrong end. Yes, so you've got to take the cap off of the small end. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, I mean, it looks pink. Ooh. Definitely has a pretty strong scent, but it smells really nice. It smells just like strawberry ice cream. Like kind of creamy, sweet strawberry. I really like that. So even just for a good scented lip balm, this has a great scent. Let's see if there's any color. I mean, there's like the slightest little tint of pink. Basically clear, but I don't know. Let's see how it looks on my lips. But first, before I try that, I'm gonna check out the other lip balm to see if they're the same. You know what? They are exactly the same. So I'm not even going to open this one yet. I'm going to save this one, keep it fresh until I finished this one here. But that's a little bit surprising because the other Double Take products from this LA Colors little collection were 2 different products. So I did try out the eyeliner, and the one that I tried out was a black eyeliner and a white eyeliner, which were really good. So if you want to see my review on that, I will have that linked down below. And I'm pretty sure I picked up another of these Double Take 2-piece products. I think I picked up a lip liner, and I think it was 2 different colors, but I'm excited to try that out in a future video. But for now, let's check out this lip balm. So the shape actually reminds me of those Burt's Bees kind of skinny tinted lip balms that have been around forever. I used those back when I was in like middle school, and those are still really good. I'm pretty sure my sister still uses one every day. But so that's exactly the shape of this. So it's like a small lip balm. I'm noticing it's not really twisting back down. I like to twist it up to see how much product you actually get, but this is not letting me twist back down, so, oh gosh. I'm not going to twist it up to see. At first I thought this packaging was cute, but now I'm finding it kind of dysfunctional. But let's finally get this onto my lips. Oh, I love the scent of this. Wow, I'm actually surprised by how little sheen there is here. It really doesn't add sheen. It's almost mattifying, which is fine. I'm just so used to my lip balms making my lips look a little bit shiny. But let's see. It does feel pretty moisturizing. And I'm definitely not seeing any tint of color. Aside from the fact that my lips look like they have a little bit more hydration to them, it looks like there is no product on my lips because there's no color, there's really no difference in the amount of shine or glossiness on my lips, so this is just super natural. I actually feel like this would be a great product for my boyfriend to wear because it doesn't look like you're wearing like a lip gloss or anything like that. If you're wearing like kind of like a Blistex or a Vaseline that will leave some shine on your lips, this doesn't give any shine, and I'm pretty sure he would like this flavor. So this is a great lip balm for someone that doesn't want it to look like there is any product on your lips. So basically, all in all, this is just a very simple, nice lip balm. I'm the type of person that wants it to look like there is some at least glossiness on my lips if there's no tint of color. So this is not my favorite LA Colors lip product. So let me know in the comments down below if you've tried these out and what your favorite flavors are. I really like mint, so I want to try that one out as well. Oh my gosh. So this is in the shade Strawberry, and I said that it smells just like strawberry ice cream, and it actually has a little picture of strawberry ice cream on it. So they did a really good job of matching the scent to what they wanted it to be. That's very impressive. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.